Charles FNYK. All my life I've been with intellect, but the flow is like incest with degenerates. Fucking stupid and fine of interest as I interject. I moonwalk in my boots, footsteps when I'm on set. Smooth predator boarding the mothership for conquest, cause I'm next. I'm sorry if I'm too witty, ain't a screw loose, so try to fix something to do with me as I cruise the beat with fluency of what's true to be. And truthfully, I miss the way that it used to be. You say you gifted, had to prove it, beat. Set a date, step up to the plate and seize opportunity. Let the viewers of the music see me pay hip-hop gratuity as I chew the beat, influencing UMCs with microphone fever. Married to the game with little intention to leave her, as long as she act right and not like a diva. A little less Cardi B and a lot more Aaliyah. We'll see, huh? Sickened by this renaissance of skeezers. Shit is not for me, bruh. Yeah, I wanna hit through some speakers, playing in some kicks on the sneakers. You dig? I'm going through the days where people test my gangster just for a reaction. If I ain't getting paid or recording music, please don't blow my high. Roll another J and get ready to witness the main attraction. Nothing left to say, I'ma leave it all right here, but I'm just rapping. Starry skies leave me sorry-eyed, like sorry I didn't do what I gotta do to make sure we fortified as a unit. But don't leave me mortified. If you'd have kept it 100, a brother would be more than...
Whole lot of gang. Bow, ground, flip. Slick, hold up, slick. Blood, baby, this the blood. I don't use my head, I let the blood talk. With these and max and make you blood. I can mix it in the nigga, hit the grip. I'ma let my hip talk. Put a quarter in the stick, you gotta clip, y'all. Beat, ooh. And the clip is CEE too. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot on 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got two on me. Plug in, yes, so woo on me. Detrimental, me and Glock all on your instrumental. I kill a nigga and it really one coincidental. Stop all that fake shit, you just be on that acting shit. No, I ain't with no cat shit, and I ain't on no rap shit. No looking bitch, you know it ain't no looking bitch. I check in the plug, nigga like, hey man, what's brackin', bitch? I'm 2 flows up on you niggas. Yeah, what all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot on 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got two on me. I plug in, yes, I like black, never play, he get whacked. Now you tryna find his face, ain't no trace, ain't coming back. T9, make 2 blocks, just bought a map. A map for your face, low, rearrange your couch. 1 foot in the industry, 1 foot in the top. Buy that dope to my cut line, I treat him like my strap. Cut by me, he'll take the nigga feed off the mouth. Yeah, V till I'm sleep, push a P, get caught. 2 guns, that's a twin glocks. I roger that, heart colder than a bitch, cause the bitch froze at that. Like apostrophe, good people gotta come in the back. Say I'm with 250K, we go better train on that, nigga. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223. Fucking around with me, you see I'm hot on 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, what that does not mean shit to me. Got 2 on me. Plug in, yes, big black like swoop. Yeah, what you want, what do you want? Hey, bitch, this is for a punk, yeah. What is shit, y'all? Hey, big black, cause I bleed, y'all. What do you want, what do you breathe, y'all? Hey, I'm pushing P, y'all.
I know why they hating on me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, you a mascot.